Hello and welcome to the April edition of CMS News. CMS wins big at MG University Kaloltsam. The college secured 4th position at the MG University Kaloltsam held from 1st April to 5th April 2022. Our college bagged the 4th position with 50 points. For group events, the folk dance team secured 1st position, the college team secured 2nd position for Western group song and opener. The skit, mime and dafmut team secured 3rd position. For solo events, Krishnaveni G of MSc Chemistry won first prize in Bharatanatyam, Arvind L of MSc Physics won first prize in Malayalam Elocution, Etna Joseph of BA Communicative English won first prize in Hindi Poetry Writing and second prize in English Essay Writing Competition. Bhadra Sandeep of BA Communicative English won second prize in Western Work and Solo. Madhavi S of BA English won third position in English Short Story Writing. Students who secured A grade are Uttara Kiran for Mohiniyattam, Adit Krishna for Autumn Tullal, Himalaji for Hindi Poetry Recitation, Bhadra Sandhi for Percussion Instrument Western and Harida H for Akshara Slogam. Laura and Mo, the first episode released, A Walk Through Heritage. The first episode of Laura and Mo documentary series has been released on the college YouTube channel. Laura and Mo aims to discover the endless layers of culture, history and heritage of CMS College. The documentary explores the heritage of our college and its significance in different realms of history, culture, society, architecture, technology and nature. The principal describes CMS as a pioneer of modern higher education and the place of origin of the Malayalam script and dictionary. The documentary also focuses on the literary and natural heritage of our college. The significance of architecture of the college, the library and the natural flora was also emphasized in the documentary. Interview released. The college has introduced a new interactive segment, Interview. It is a platform for students to converse with the principal on various subjects. The first episode of the series was released on 13th April 2022. It featured Sharath Government, a second-year student of MA Malayalam, in conversation with Principal Dr. Wagisi Joshua. The contribution of CMS College to the history of education and digital education initiatives of our college during the pandemic and privatization of education were the focus of the conversation. Dr. Wagisi Joshua spoke about the experience as a college principal and about maintaining the relationship between students and teachers. He also talked about the Hues of Time sculpture series. Computer Lab inaugurated. Shri Thiruvanchur Radhakrishnan, MLA Kottayam, inaugurated a new computer lab at our college on 7th April 2022. The ceremony was held at Reverend Josephine Hall. The lab was set up using amount of Rs 18 lakhs from MLA's Asset Development Fund of 2018 and 2019. The lab consists of 50 computers under UPS. Dr. Matthew George, Deputy Director of Collegiate Education, Kottayam, presided over the function. The Principal, Dr. Wagisi Joshua, spoke on the occasion. PTA General Body meeting held. The Parent Teachers Association of the CMS College held a General Body meeting on 22nd April 2022 at the Great Hall. The annual report was presented during the meeting. The office bearers of PTA Executive Committee for the year 2022 were appointed. The new office bearers are the Principal Dr. Wagisi Joshua as the President of PTA Executive Committee, Dr. General Wagis as a Secretary, Dr. Arun Kumar as a Treasurer, Mr. Prince T as a Vice President and the Shahida Rajat as a Joint Secretary. The Executive Committee members are the Vice Principal Dr. Renu Jacob, the Bursar Reverend Cherian Thomas, Jaykumar VK, Sopna, Charles C. Joseph from the Department of Physical Education, Arun Abraham David from the Department of Chemistry, Basil George from the Department of Botany, Tia Mariam Jacob from the Department of Malayalam, Elsa Daniel from the Department of Commerce Self-Finance, Dulce MJ from the Department of Computer Science, Shabaz Sharif from the Department of Economics, and Anne Abraham from the Department of Commerce. QR coding of trees in Government LP School held. The college NSS unit in association with Bhumitra Sena Club, Department of Botany of our college, conducted the digitalization and QR coding of trees at the Government Town and LP School, Kottayam. The program was inaugurated by MLA Shri Thiruvanchur Radhakrishnan. The Directorate of Environment and Climate Change supported the venture. Municipal Council Jamal Joseph Kurushinkal, the Principal Dr. Wagisi Joshua, school teachers and Sunitha PB, Ashalada P, PTA President Lindsay Reggie, NSS Program Officers Dr. Amrita Renu Abraham and Dr. Ajesh KR, Dr. Regimoy P. Thomas and Sri Kumar KR, who are charge of the Bhumitra Sena Club, and students Megha Merin, Reggie, Amal J, Misriya Mohammed and Aromal Mahesh led the program. MG University volleyball team emerges victorious at All India Championship. The MG University volleyball team got bronze medal in the Khelo India All India University Championship. The competition was held at Bangalore on 26 April 2022. George Anthony, Saurabh and Karthik Ardayar of CMS College were part of the winning team. Dr. Jackson Paul V, and head of the Physical Education Department of our college, was the manager of the team. Khelo India University Games is a national-level multi-sports competition for athletes from universities across the country. Students' achievements. Ashwati Jayachandran of MSc Applied Chemistry 2019-2021 batch secured PhD admission in the Department of Chemistry for Kent State University, USA. She will join the program in September 2022. She will receive an annual scholarship equivalent to 25 lakhs per annum for 5 years along with the complete tuition fee waiver. Reba Joseph of MSc Applied Chemistry got admission in the Molecular Nanoscience at Friedrich Alexander University at Ensten-Nürnberg, FAU, Germany. FAU is one of the largest research universities in Germany. Reba will join the program in April 2022. Ashay Tomaji of BSc Chemistry has secured admission for MSc in Chemistry at the Ferrer University at Berlin, Germany. Ashay will join the program in April 2022. College student to filmmaker. Roots of Vallavanad, a short film by Adit Krishna Chempat, a second-year Malayalam graduate student of our college, has received official recognition at Post Premiers Festival 2022. The movie talks about the historical tales of Vallavanad. CMS College organizes Skywatch program. The college organized Skywatch program aimed at viewing planets aligned with Moon. The program was held in collaboration with Breakthrough Science Society for enthusiastic school and college students of 27 April 2022 on the college campus. The program included the inauguration of telescope facility, the Skywatch video presentation and the class at CMS Theatre and breakfast with scientists. Awareness camp on lifestyle disease conducted. CMS College Dietetics and Food Service Management Department in association with Kottayam Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Telecom, conducted an awareness camp on 23 April 2022. It was based on the theme Prevention of Lifestyle Diseases and Healthy Lifestyle Changes. The camp was held at Parish Hall of Kallunthra Church, Kottayam. Caritas Hospital Director Father Jinu Kavili delivered the presidential address. The principal Dr. Wagisi Joshua inaugurated the event. Sri Radhakrishnan Nellimpalli, Kallunthra Ward Member, Ms. Ramya Paul Mukherjee, Head of Department of Clinical Nutrition, and Ms. Renu K. Abraham delivered the felicitations. Exam notification. The third semester examination for undergraduate course began from 4th May 2022. NSS programs this month. Srijit Reggie and Anaka Rajiv have been selected as the volunteer secretaries of the college NSS unit for the academic year 2022 and 2023. Balamurali Krishna NV and Samyukta as were selected as the volunteer leaders. The NSS unit of our college conducted a slogan writing competition in connection with the International Earth Day with the theme Invest in Our Planet. Alban John Samuel of BA Sociology secured first position, Madhavi S of BA English and Varsha Shibu of BSc Mathematics secured second and third position respectively. Vibrations, a program in connection with Autism Awareness Day, was held in CMS Great Hall on 1st April 2022. Early detection and early intervention was the theme of the event. The program was organized by Jewel Autism and Child Development Center in association with Rotary Club of Kottayam Central and Son 31 CMS College and Basilius College, Kottayam. Volunteers and teachers of the unit in collaboration with Abhayam Charitable Trust participated in the preparation and distribution of food to patients to Kottayam Medical College. They also made financial contribution to the venture. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and the official Instagram page for more updates. This is Durga signing off.